Our marriage counselling in Perth involves examining the dynamics and finding solutions between couples, whether they're about to marry or are already married. You may wonder, does marriage counselling actually work? Yes, it certainly does. If both parties are committed to exploring your unresolved issues and feelings, then perhaps being open to how your relationship patterns may have its origins in your family of origin or from the influences that you've had in the past, this will help you to learn techniques to repair those patterns.
As well as being therapists, both Richard and I have been married for over 20 years and understand the issues that can arise at various stages of married life. We feel we both have the knowledge and practical experience to provide effective marriage counselling to couples in Perth.